It's such an honour to be here with you all. It's wonderful to see you all and to hear you all and just to share this moment with you. And I'm thankful for this stage and for you to open your hearts and minds to the Welsh folk hymns. Now, me and Pozoloma, we don't speak English with each other, no. We speak Welsh, and Welsh is very important for us Welsh people as a part of our identity. It's a big part of our identity, the same way as the Mizo language is important to you people. And so what I'm going to sing to you tonight are Welsh language folk hymns, and I'm going to sing with some old recordings, starting with this recording from the 1950s of a woman called Sarah Trenholm, who remembered the 1904-05 revival. And she remembered this hymn from this time.
Ni mas gynna I ddigon o lais I chanu, cofiwch am I drio eto. A glywais di sôn am iachawdwr y byd, fydd farw ar groes bren o'i fod. Fe yfodd y cwpan i'r gwaelod I gyd, a'i fywyd yn Aberfarrodd. A welais ti'r yr hynaf gwrdinau, a glywais di sôn am breswylydd y ber. Mae'n disgwyl amdanat, mae'n disgwyl amdanat, mae o'n disgwyl amdanat y nawr. A glywais di sôn am iachawdwr y byd, fi farw ar groes bren o'i fod. Rafon i'r gwaelod I gyd, a'i fwyd yn Aberfarrodd. A welais di ef yr hynaf gwrdin herth, a glywais di sôn am breswylydd y ber. Disgwyl amdanat, mae o'n disgwyl amdanat, mae o'n disgwyl amdanat y nawr. Mae o'n disgwyl amdanat, mae o'n disgwyl amdanat, mae o'n disgwyl amdanat y nawr. Mae o'n disgwyl amdanat, mae o'n disgwyl amdanat, mae o'n disgwyl, mae o'n disgwyl, mae o'n disgwyl, mae o'n disgwyl, mae o'n disgwyl amdanat. Thank you very much.
Okay, this next one is, you will hear the voice of a man called William Morris. Now, William Morris, he didn't want to sing. I think he thought he couldn't sing, that he was singing out of tune. So he would recite the hymn, and so I have tried to find the melody in his speaking voice. So this is William Morris.
Mi fi'n wrth drws uffern yn curo, yn ceisio cael myned I mewn, ond wedodd y gŵr oedd ar goriad, ei bod i'r rhugeiad na chewn, tra oeddwn I yno'n sefyll ac o'r wedi eraill mi hwn, pwy wel arno fai, am ei garu pa gyfaill sy'n heiddi fel hwn. Wel dyma hen bennill, dwi wedi clywed hwn lafaill.
Mi fi'n wrth drws uffern yn curo, yn ceisio cael myned I mewn, ond wedodd y gŵr oedd ar goriad, ei bod hi'n rhugeiad na chewn, tra oeddwn I yno'n sefyll ac o'r wedi eraill mi hwn, pwy wel arna fai am ei garu pa gyfaill sy'n heiddi fel hwn.
Wel dyma hen bennill, dwi wedi clywed hwn lafaill.
Mi fi'n wrth drws uffern yn curo, yn ceisio cael myned I mewn, ond wedodd y gŵr oedd ar goriad, ei bod hi'n rhugeiad na chewn, tra oeddwn I yno'n sefyll ac o'r wedi eraill mi hwn, pwy wel arna fai am ei garu pa gyfaill sy'n heiddi fel hwn.
Pa gyfaill sy'n heiddi fel hwn, 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 pa gyfaill sy'n heiddi fel hwn. Pwy wel arna fai am ei garu pa gyfaill sy'n heiddi fel hwn.
Rwy'n dod at drws nefoedd I giro, gwahoddi'r bechadur at hwn. Mae'r gŵr sydd yn cadw'r goriad, yn hysbys o'm hangen mi hwn. Gwrandaf anwyl waredwr, trigaredd I filoedd roesdiro, eto drigaredd I minnau, pa gyfaill sy'n heiddi fel ti.
I'm now going to play you the only recording that exists of the revivalist Evan Roberts. This is the man who sparked the revival in Wales in 1904. And this recording is actually from 1905, so it's a very old recording. We didn't discover this recording till 2004, and they found it in somebody's house after they died. And unfortunately, it was on a wax cylinder, a very old thing to record, and it was broken in 11 places. So they had to take it to America to be fixed by a man who was a dentist. But unfortunately, in the recording, you can't really hear the words, but you can hear the melody of his voice. You can hear the spark, the inspiration, the spirit, if you like. And I don't know, yes, oh, no, I thought he was going to put my social media, but if you want a transcribed version of the words, you are welcome to contact me. It's Lleuwen on the social. So anyway, this is it. This is Evan Roberts in 1905. You won't understand the words, but if you listen, you'll hear his voice. Thank you very much. Okay, I haven't got much time, so I'll just get on with it, okay? So this is actually a hymn from 1700s, from that revival. And it's about being drunk, not on alcohol, not on the wine of alcohol, but from the goodness of God. Dyma ni.
Mae plant y byd yn dweud ar goel, mae meddwl oer neu mae siong ho. Os meddwl oer, nid rhyfeddiw, meddwl ar wyn o selerdyw. Cael ei ganu yn yr oedfa. Mae plant y byd yn dweud ar gol.
Mod i'n feddwl mas o os mae wyf neu drafod yw meddwl ar wyn o seler byw.
Dyna'r math o emyn oedd yn mynd ar bryd, 1794.
Calomi. Okay, almost finished. Am I okay for time? Yeah? So this is something very special to Wales, which is half singing, half preaching. It's called yr Hwyl Gymreig. So it's actually a sermon, but they used to go into song while they were doing it.
Fechgyn, chwedi gweld llong mewn stor, yn cael ei thaflu ochr i ochr, ar brydia, wyneb oer. Braidd na wetsech chi fod ar ben yr enlwng Biak, ond roswch chi da gwyfynnu. A'r gwynt yn rhoi clatsian ochr hyn, clatsian ochr draw. Enlwng Biak yn dod ag ar bryd arall o ddim dod. Ar war, tymestlog, toeth o'r rwy'n, ganwenni, ar oes tormyddor, yn had sydd wrth y
Rwy ddim draddodi chwi heno rhannau o bryges.
This is a Welsh sermon
A draddodwyd gan
from 1835.
yng Nghymanfa Bangor, bore dydd Mercher, gorffen haf y cyntaf, 1835.
Treulio mywyd, funig fywyd, dy glod. Ac anblygu ben ymlaen, bydd wedodd i'r pen hwn, dan y goron rhain. 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 Welwch chi'r dwylo yma, ef i hoelion trwy'r rhain. I'r pen hwn, dan y goron rhain.
I'r pen hwn, dan y goron rhain.
I'r pen hwn, dan y goron rhain.
I'r pen hwn.
Rhain.
Mae fath fawredd yn yr efengyl, fel y mae'n distewi, holl o'r leisiau adar y nos, trwy goedwig y meddwl ac i gael.
Welwch chi'r dwylo yma, ef i hoelion trwy'r rhain.
I'r pen hwn, dan y goron rhain.
I'r pen hwn, dan y goron rhain. Dan y goron rhain. Dan y goron, dan y goron. Dan y goron rhain. Dan y goron rhain.
Diolch i ti, yr holl alluog Dduw, am yr efengyl, am yr efengyl.
You can sing with me.
Yr efengyl sanctaidd.
In any language you want.
Hallelujah, 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 amen. Pan oeddwn ni mewn carchar tywyll di, roes dim oleuni, roes dim oleuni, roes dim oleuni neddol. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Yeah. One more.
Hallelujah, 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 amen.
Thank you so much.